Unlock unlimited travel, the power of a monthly pass. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a practical phrase that you might come across in daily life, monthly pass. If you're curious about what it means and how you can use it, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and unlock the mystery of the monthly pass together. A monthly pass is typically a ticket or card that allows you unlimited access to a service for the duration of a month. It's often used in the context of public transportation, like buses or trains, but can also apply to services like gyms, libraries, or even streaming services. The idea is that you pay once at the beginning of the month, and then you can use the service as much as you need without worrying about individual tickets or fees. One of the biggest advantages of a monthly pass is the potential for savings. If you're someone who uses a service frequently, buying a pass can be much more cost-effective than paying for each individual use. Additionally, it's a huge time saver since you don't need to purchase a ticket each time, and it often comes with the ease of not having to carry cash. Using a monthly pass is straightforward. After purchasing, you simply present it when using the service, such as when boarding a bus or entering a subway station. Sometimes, the pass might be a physical card, or it could be digital, stored on your phone or a smart card. Make sure to check the validity and any restrictions, like peak time exclusions or specific zone limitations. Let's put the phrase into context. Imagine you've just moved to a new city and you're going to commute to work by subway. You might ask, should I get a monthly pass? If you calculate that you'll be traveling back and forth every day, a pass could save you a lot of money and hassle. And that's a wrap on monthly passes. Whether you're a commuter, a student, or just love to explore, understanding this term can be incredibly beneficial. We hope this video has shed light on the concept and helps you in your English language journey. Remember, learning English is your ticket to a world of opportunities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.